What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. We're going to go over Onyxcoin or XCN, which was up huge yesterday. We're down 20%, but we did break above that 2 cents area. Actually, we were really focusing on 1 cent. We smashed through that yesterday. We're going to go over it. I know we're seeing a decent retracement right now. It's normal after seeing a large move. I think I saw it go all the way up 60% yesterday before we're starting to see some retracement. Fantastic news. We've been charting this day after day after day after day. So this is exactly what we'd like to see here. So with that, let's get to the price prediction and technical analysis on XCN. All right. So this is what we had drawn last time. Last time we charted it, and we actually are above the 786 area, which is fantastic news. I mean, we got a nice bounce here, broke above that 618, which we were talking about, that 0.091 cent area. And as soon as we got above that 1 cent area downtrend right here, we went straight parabolic. Now, yeah, you're seeing a 20% correction, but look at it. Look at this huge run up we've had after that. 20% corrections, nothing. Absolutely nothing, especially being above 2 cents right now. You guys should be absolutely ecstatic. Now, day chart right now, we're still bullish. We're still showing engulfing candles here on the MACD. RSI is a little high. I mean, we can definitely go higher. We've done it before. We've gone all the way up to 94 before we've seen some sort of retracement. We got the double buy signal on the WTX. We have a ton of room to run here, guys. A ton of room. We're not even close to being in a sell zone yet for that. The only concerning thing on the day chart is the stock RSI is starting to dip back down, and this is a normal area where the stock RSI has topped out at. Not meaning we're going to see a retracement. It's just that strength. You can see if I draw a horizontal line, every time we've touched this area, we've seen a retracement on the stock RSI. So that's just something to take into consideration on the day chart. If we look at the 3-day chart, this is 3-day chart's looking huge. Like this is big. This is pretty much what we've been waiting for, guys. All the crypto markets kind of looking similar to this. The 3-day chart's looking like we're about ready to explode. I mean, look at, we're about ready to cross over bullish here on the MACD. We haven't been bullish on the MACD since February. So we're curious to see what's going to happen after that. The largest bearish momentum we've had on the MACD ever. The RSI is putting in a higher low and it's starting to rally up from there. The WTX is looking fantastic on the 3-day, and the stock RSI double bottomed, and we're starting to go parabolic there. So that's why long-term, man, long-term holds right now are going to be the play, in my personal opinion. Long-term hold, long-term hold, long-term hold, because we thought this thing went the other day. This thing's about ready to tear, absolutely tear on the long-term chart, guys, which is going to send it way past that 18 cents all-time high. Like I mentioned, I think this thing's going probably up to the 1618 to 75 cents, maybe wake up to $1. So that's about a what, 50x from where we're currently at. With a small market cap of only 672 million, it's easily doable to do that. So in my personal opinion, this is a great long-term hold. If you thought you missed the boat, trust me, the long-term, the boat hasn't even started sailing yet. It's just now getting ready to go. So if you're like, oh man, I missed XCN, I'm not going to get in, this thing's going to go way higher, guys, way higher. So personal opinion, I'm not looking at the intraday charts anymore. I'm looking at the long-term time frame. So I'm looking at the day chart, I'm looking at the 3-day chart, I'm looking at the week. I mean, if you're an intraday trader, the 4-hour time frame, it shows that we're holding support at the 786 here at 2 cents. We actually got a bounce crossover here on the stock RSI at a bottom that we normally see heavy reversals off of. And then you can see the MACD is bullish on top of the RSI. So short term, we're looking good as long as we stay above 2. Long term, we're looking fantastic. Just DCA. And eventually this thing's going to go to infinity and beyond. Realistically, you actually have a 1618 up here at $7. I don't know, that might be a little unrealistic. Who knows? It's crypto, but realistically, I do think that 1236 at 75 cents will be hit. And then we'll top out most likely somewhere in that general area. So congratulations, XCN holders. We've talked about it over and over about this descent to the another push to the upside, and that's exactly what's taking place. So we want to hold the 2 cent support area. So this is kind of what we're looking for here. If we're looking to DCA in a little bit, we want to hold that 2 cent support area on that other fib. Let me see if I can actually just back. Oh man, it would have been easier just to draw it. But if we go to the back to that day chart right here, what we want to focus on is staying above that 786 at 2 cents. If we do happen to break below that, then we'll probably head down to, what support would that be? To the 618 support at 14 to 15. So if we break below 2 cents, I think what would happen is probably come back down here and then see the next rally to the upside. This thing's finally getting started. A lot of coins had this. A lot of coins had this big shakeout from January all the way to now. This slow bleed out. Look at all the coins. They had this, and now all of them are starting to have their next leg higher. And that's exactly what's happening to XCN right now, guys. I think this thing is going to be a massive winner this bull run. So congratulations. I'm going to continue covering this because this thing's about ready to go. So, oh, I was gonna say so with that, but realistically, if you're looking at it at a technical standpoint as well, definitely look up, go to Google, type in cup and handle pattern. Look at this. You got your cup, you're getting your handle, and then it's going to go straight parabolic. Look at cup and handle pattern because this is definitely playing out to a T right now, a definite T. So super stoked to see what this brings this year. With that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.